Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch from a party chat to the game chat on your PlayStation. So the first thing you need to do is actually get into a game, and then you can switch to the game chat. So if I go on over to the party options now, I can find party, and I can start a party under here. Let's just do a closed party. And now I'm in a party. So if I go to the party screen, it should give me the option to chat audio, prioritize party chat or game chat. So I can switch to the game chat just by going to this option right here. So I should be able to speak to people now in like Fortnite or anything like that. So I can do it from this screen, or I can go back to the home screen on the PlayStation and go to just parties under here and open up the party screen. And then we can do it under this screen. It's a little bit more difficult. It's not as straightforward. So we can go to party audio settings, see if it's under here, and then prioritize game chat. So I like just holding out the share button, or the PlayStation button, go to here. So look at this option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.